you've used Enable for anywhere from a week to really 10 years, one of the things that you guys should be doing is investing time into automation and into scripting. So here's what I'm suggesting. So if we go to settings here, then we go to script manager. This is where you put all of your scripts and your script checks. So what we do is you have the ability to see all the scripts that you have. You may have one, you may have 1,000, you may have none. This is something that I recommend that people keep somewhat clean. If you don't need a script anymore, what you can do is you can pick it, say download, and it'll download a copy simply like that, and then you can delete it, put your password, and get out of it. And this is where all the scripts show. Now, if you want to use our built-in automation platform, you would use Automation Manager. The way to do that, you would go to the shiny button at the top right, just like that. You're going to say download, and then you get the installer, you run it, you open it, and then you can make your own policies. When you make your policies, it's going to make you AMP or Automation Manager policy files. I know, not super original. All right. So yeah, so you're going to get that. Once you get that, you would make your policy, you would get ready, you would come back to your script manager, you would say new, and then you upload whatever you're looking for. So right now I'm talking about the idea that you would be creating them, but if you're not creating them, sorry, if you're not creating them, you would just find them on the cookbook or wherever, like Charles showed, and then you would upload said script here, you would put a name and a description that makes sense, and then you would say, is it a script check or a task? There's a huge difference between the two. If you're not familiar, automated tasks are meant to be run as is and just do something, connect to the machine, do this, do that. Or a script check, perfect. The script checks are meant to do a monitoring so that you can have a failed condition. So for example, I have a script that we created to monitor if BitLocker is enabled. And if it's not, this can go failed, then you can trigger a cell field. So that is how you would kind of start with that. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you go to your checks or your tasks, and then you would add it and just follow the prompts to do it. Now, just because of the time that we have, I'm going to whiz over this a tiny bit fast, but all of this is covered in the automation cookbook, so you're more than welcome to use that as needed as well.